Millions of people believe H5N1 is being artificially spread through milk to force mRNA vaccines on cattle. But their own viral proof videos accidentally documented the exact scientific evidence that debunks them. Here's what happened. For months, conspiracy communities shared clips of farmers saying their herds were completely healthy until USDA inspectors showed up. Then suddenly, the cows got sick. They claimed this proved the government infected the cattle on purpose. Sounds suspicious, right? Except Cornell veterinary virologists had already published peer-reviewed research showing exactly how H5N1 behaves in cattle. The virus has a specific 2 to 5 day window where infected animals shed the virus without showing any symptoms at all. That means an infected cow can spread the disease to the entire herd while appearing completely fine. The farmers in those videos weren't capturing proof of a conspiracy. They were accidentally documenting the exact asymptomatic shedding window that real scientists had already discovered and published. The timeline the conspiracy theorists shared as their smoking gun was actually the textbook definition of how this virus naturally spreads. Their evidence wasn't proof of sabotage. It was proof that H5N1 behaves exactly like the science predicted.